Oh, there you go. You got your gumball in your mouth?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
How's your train going?
Go.
Want me to take a picture from the front? Okay.
And I'll give a word.
You gonna knock me over?
More. Yeah. More. No more. More. No. No more. No. I want to knock you over more. More. Ring over. Ring over. Ring over.
Oh, you gonna bump me? You're gonna bump me?
Yeah.
No bumping me.
Yeah, that's funny.
That's not funny.
Give me space.
Is that the train blowing the whistle?
Yeah.
Can you blow the whistle this way? Doo doo.
Do, do, do. Do.
Uh-oh, what are you seeing? What do you got over there? Uh-oh. Do I have your ticket? Is this your ticket? Oh, where are you going to put your ticket? Oh, I got it down there. All right. We're almost ready to go back with Mommy, huh? Gonna see Santa Claus. You're going to see Santa Claus today? Oh, what's over there? Oh. All right, all done. Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
No, to the air. Yeah, over here.